What's up, everybody? This is Steven Robles from AppleInsider, and I'm talking to you today about the WaterField AirPods Max case. They're calling it their Shield Case, and it's basically what I think Apple should have made and maybe even shipped with the AirPods Max. So I got my AirPods Max here, and as you know, it comes with this, whatever you want to call it, sleeve. But as you know, it puts your AirPods Max into that ultra low power mode, and so you want to use it if you want to keep as much battery life as possible. But it doesn't really protect much of the AirPods Max. You have the whole headband exposed and all the side stuff. So WaterField has made their full case. This is it right here. It's made from really high quality leather and feels great. And it fits the entire AirPods Max in the case, and it protects everything. And one of the best features about this case, which the whole reason you use the sleeve from Apple to put it in that ultra low power mode, when you put them into the WaterField case, it actually has this little like butterfly magnet thing, and it puts your AirPods Max to sleep. There's a YouTube channel, Emergent Technologies. I'll put a link in the description, but he actually found the little magnets there on the back of the AirPods, kind of down here, and he used a couple fridge magnets, like off your fridge, and you can put it into that low power mode just by putting two little magnets right there on the sides. But the WaterField case has this little butterfly magnet, and it does the same thing. So you can put your AirPods Max right there in the little magnets, and it goes to sleep. And if you ever want to be sure if it's actually going to sleep, if you take it out of the case, you see that little green light turn on. That means they're on again. In still low power mode, but they're connected to your devices. And as soon as you connect it to those little magnets in the butterfly, you see that light turn off, which is pretty sweet. And WaterField made this case big enough where you don't have to put the telescoping arms in just to fit it. It'll fit just fine. Mine are out how I wear them around my head. You put them in the case and they fit. And it's got that nice plush on the inside. You close it and it looks great. Now, if you leave the telescoping arms out a little bit and you still close it, it is a little close to the zipper depending how far out those telescoping arms are. I try to make sure it's not like catching the end of the AirPods Max as I'm closing it. But it fits great and they're protected. And they also included a couple other pockets. They have this outside pocket, which is really nice. It feels very plush inside, I'll be real. And so it feels great, and it's actually a great pocket for this thing, the very thin Lightning to 3.5 millimeter headphone cable. But rather than keep it in some other bag or someplace else in my backpack, I'm gonna put it right here. So I know they're always with my AirPods Max. So that's pretty convenient. Not only that, but on the inside, they included another pocket. So if you want to keep your charging brick in here, maybe with another lightning cable so you can charge it, they actually have that right here. There's a little like Velcro strap thing. It's a nice little mesh pocket on the inside so you can put that power brick in there with another lightning cable, and the little Velcro keeps it shut. Not only does it have that zipper pocket on the outside and the little mesh pocket inside to hold a power brick, it actually has a nice mesh thing on the back. So if you want to put something else, some papers, maybe you want to keep that headphone cable to lightning on the outside, it actually has that mesh pocket on the back too. So, but honestly, I'm going to be using this full time with my AirPods Max. I've wanted to make sure it was protected, that this mesh on top is protected and it's not going to get scratched or ripped or anything. And this case works great. And the whole case fits inside my Peak Design bag. And so I'm going to be keeping it in there, and I know it's protected. So if, like me, you weren't crazy about the little sleeve that Apple included, then I highly recommend the WaterField case. It's really nice. It's going to protect my AirPods. It keeps them in that low power mode so the battery's not draining. And it has those extra pockets. It's really convenient. Oh, they also included this card. Now, I have a lot of leather products, but for some reason I did not know this. Obviously, because it's leather, it's going to patina nice over time. It'll age nicely. But they included this little card, and it shows like how to change the patina. So if it gets a little too scratched or patinaed, you can actually use a blow dryer to make it look almost like new again if you want to take away some of those marks. I had no idea, so that's pretty cool. So it's a great case. It's $99 and it comes in 4 colors: black, blue, crimson, and chocolate. This is the chocolate variety, and we really like it. And don't forget to check out the Apple Insider podcast that comes out every Friday. Me and other hosts from Apple Insider. Check out HomeKit Insider. That comes out every Monday, where we talk about all the smart home and HomeKit devices. And we have Apple Insider Daily, where you can get the top headlines from Apple every day, just 2 or 3 minute podcasts. So let me know in the comments. Are you going to get the WaterField case? You're going to wait for some other cases? Or did you even get the AirPods Max? Or are you sticking with the Bose, the Sonys, or some other noise canceling headphones? I'd love to hear in the comments. I'll interact with you there. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.